Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, N1SPY, and today I have a box. This may not sound interesting, but it's a pretty interesting box. It has some history behind it. The previous owner of this antenna in this here box, he didn't know much about it and had assumed that there were a few missing parts, so he couldn't sell it as a complete antenna. So he had sent it to me as just what parts he had and for just a little bit more than postage. So I'm going to try and open it up, fix it up a little bit, and see if I can use it for QRP operation. So this is the first time I'm opening the antenna. Let's go. Well, so far so good. It is carefully wrapped in bubble wrap, and hopefully it works very well. The first thing that I saw is a very good start. This is a standard mount, and I've used it to mount some antennas before. So here are the next three pieces that I've taken out of the box. Here is another standard 3/8 connector with a standard coax connector on the back. Now, this can pretty much mount any antenna since it's a standard 3/8 and can pretty much aid any portable operation. Next, we have this clamp, which could probably be used to mount the antenna on pretty much any surface, like this table here or a park bench. And I'm not sure what this is, but it probably aids in sideways mounting, and these three things generally just help with mounting the antenna for portable operation. So I think I have a pretty good idea of what antenna this is. It's a Super Antenna MP1, and I'm really excited to open it up and look at what's next. I've heard of these, but I've never seen one in operation, so I'm going to proceed to the next few pieces and see if I can put it together. This here is the heart of the antenna. This is where the coil is housed, so I'm just going to go ahead and check and see if the coil's in there. And it is! That's a very good sign. Now all this antenna needs is an element up here, and we can tune it just by tapping into the coil, and it'll be a functioning, perfectly working antenna. So here I have the elements that can easily screw into each other. Hopefully they'll be a perfect fit onto the housing of the coil, but it's not a huge problem if they aren't, because the elements are something you can do yourself. So, if not complete, this antenna is very close, 95% complete. So, I'm really excited to plug it all together, put it into my KX2 here, and run some experiments with it. It's going to be really interesting, and just very excited to do some experiments, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I run such experiments.